In this lecture, we want to consider some real world examples and let's see how they are effective in the organizations where they're being used and what we can learn as leaders and adapt or adopt into our own organization. For example, talking about strategic vision and alignment, we see that Sundar Pichai's leadership has, this is at Google, has emphasized AI as a center pillar of Google's strategy. And they focus on making AI accessible and useful to everyone. That's why you can see that Google is miles ahead of many organizations. And this vision has driven innovations like Google Assistant and AI powered search enhancements. The similar things are happening, of course, at Microsoft under Satya and Nadella's leadership because under Microsoft, they have integrated AI across their products and services and with strategic focus on AI for good and ethical practice as well. Thinking about fostering an AI ready culture, I think Jeff Bezos has done a good job because he has fostered a culture of innovation at Amazon, encouraging teams to take risks and experiment with new technology, including AI. And this approach has led to AI driven innovations like Amazon Go, personalized shopping recommendations. And the same thing is going on in IBM. You could just go on the IBM site and you see a lot of education around AI. For example, they have encouraged their team members or their employees at all levels to have the necessary skills and knowledge to work with AI technology. In regards to ethical practices, we can look at the work that is being done at Salesforce by Marc Benioff, who has prioritized ethical AI, establishing a dedicated office of ethical and humane use of AI technology to oversee AI projects and to ensure they align with ethical standards. Sheryl Sandberg at Facebook is doing the same thing. They're emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability in AI, leading to initiatives to make AI algorithms more understandable and fair. We can go on, but let's take a look at what Tesla is doing. Well, Tesla's Elon Musk empowers his team to innovate and to push the boundaries of AI in areas like autonomous driving and energy solutions, providing them with the resources and autonomy to achieve groundbreaking results. It's not surprising that Tesla is doing so well in those two areas. And Brian Chesky's Airbnb, they encourage cross-functional collaboration and innovation, leveraging AI to enhance user experience and to optimize operational efficiency. All these are real world examples. So let's conclude this particular section of the course by noting that effective AI leadership involves strategic vision, fostering an AI ready culture, ensuring ethical practices, and empowering teams. I think that by embracing these key responsibilities as a leader, your organization can effectively navigate the turbulence of change. So when we come back, we look at other aspects of AI leadership that will be important to your growth as a leader. See you in a moment.